In this video, I'm going to show you a very cool way in how you can make big money with just 5 minutes of work. Yes, that's right. Before I actually dive into things, if this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos Monday through Friday on how to make money online, how to grow an online business, and how you can, of course, work from home. So if you enjoy these types of videos, definitely be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And this way you'll be notified whenever there is a brand new video on this channel. So without further ado, let's get right into things. Alright, so right off the bat, I'm going to assume that you don't want to have to deal with, having to sell anything, you don't have much to invest, and you're looking for something that will preferably not take, that much time, and something that will work pretty much anywhere in the world. So wherever you are in the world, whatever country you're from, this will work pretty much wherever you are in the world. So that's why I'm very excited to, of course, share this with you. So this is something I'm definitely very excited to share, and it won't really take that much of your time, or you won't have to actually invest anything to of course do this. So pretty much anyone can do this strategy, regardless of where you're from or how much you have to invest. So let's actually get right into things. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to youtube.com. Now, before you click off this video, I just want to mention that you will not have to make any videos whatsoever. You don't have to record videos if you don't want to. This is something that will not require you to make any videos. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to YouTube, and you're going to want to search up something that is likely to go viral. So, for example, something like, epic fail compilation is likely to go viral. I mean, there's tons of videos about, epic fail compilation, or, TikTok meme compilation, something like that. Even something like, funny cat videos or something. Not Cat Mario, cat videos, right? Or like cats meowing, something like that. So there's tons of videos in this niche right here that are being uploaded pretty much like on a daily basis. And a lot of these, as you can see here, they get tons of views. Like, look at this one. 2 weeks ago, this was posted, and it already has 2.1 million views. I mean, here's another one. Okay, this was posted 3 years ago, but it's got 29 million views. We've got, what else we got? Cat games. Catching mice. Okay, so it's like a video for cats to watch. I've actually showed one of these videos to my cats, and they go crazy. It's pretty funny. Here's one 4 months ago, 4.2 million views. 1 month ago, 500,000 views. So as you can see here, there's tons of videos in this niche that are getting tons of views, and people, they like watching these kinds of videos. So what you could do is you could set up a YouTube channel where you re-upload these kinds of videos right here. You could upload these videos, and you might be thinking, wait a minute, wouldn't that be stealing other people's content? Isn't that can't you get copyright strike for this? I'm gonna be showing you a very cool way in how you could do this without having to worry about facing any copyright strike. So what you want to do is you want to search up your niche that you're going into. In my case, it's cat videos, and you want to click on this filter button right here, and it's going to bring up a list of different options. You want to find the option that says Creative Commons. Now, when you click on this, it's going to bring up a list of videos that you could actually take. You could download them, and then you could re-upload them to YouTube without having to worry about having to face any copyright strikes or anything like that. So these are all videos right here. All these videos that came up, these are all videos that you could actually download them, and then you could re-upload them to your YouTube channel. So like, here's one that was posted just yesterday, and it already has over 1,000 views right there. I mean, there's another one 6 months ago. It's got 10,000 views. There's one right here 2 months ago, and it already has almost 4 million views in just 2 months right there. So you could take any of these videos. I'm going to click on this one, for example, and what you want to do is you want to hover over it. You want to right click, and then you want to click on this option that says copy link address. Once you have that copied, what you want to do is you'll want to open up a new tab and type in YouTube to MP4. So you just want to type that in, and it's going to bring you up a bunch of different websites that you could actually, download a YouTube video. So like, YouTube to MP4, online YouTube video converter, or downloader rather. You click on the link, and literally all you have to do from here is you just want to paste in your link in this bar right here. So to paste the link, you could either click on, Control V, or you could just right click and then click on the paste option right here. So that's pretty much how that works. And once you have that link right in here, you just click on the start button. And then you just want to download the video. So you could either download, you know, the 720p version or the 360p version. Of course, the better resolution, the bigger of a file size it's going to be. So like, I'm just going to go with, you know, this one right here because I personally don't notice, you know, too much of a difference. I'm not, you know, but anyways, it looks like you could just download the, you know, the video right there. Click on download. And right here, it'll just, wait a minute. I didn't mean to do that. Let me go back for a minute. I'm going to close this out right real quick. Because what I wanted to do was I wanted to download that. So it looks like it's telling me, okay, replace youtube.com with u10.com. Just replace beta 10, the fastest way to download videos from YouTube. Okay, so I guess what I have to do is u210.com. Okay. So I guess what I have to do is I have to take the link and then download that. It's going to bring up this video right here. Sorry about if that caused ear rape or something like that. Let me, you know what? Let me try a different site because this one's kind of annoying me right now. So I'm just going to type in YouTube to MP4 again. YouTube to MP4. And we're just going to go with a different site because that one just seemed kind of confusing to me. So this one right here, mp4s.org, this is the other site that I guess we could use. So just paste in the link here, click on convert, and then from here it's just going to allow you to download the video right there. So you just wait for that to load up. It usually takes like about, you know, maybe like a minute or so to load up, and once that does, it'll then download the MP4 file to your computer. And once you have that inside of your computer, so here we just click on download. It downloads the, you know, the video file. Looks like it'll take a few seconds to of course, download, but I believe it does it like automatically if you don't click on download. So we just click on download. Looks like it wants us to, looks like we gotta wait a bit. And then once that downloads, then you can just re-upload that to your YouTube account there. So I'm not gonna worry too much about this right now. I'm just going to close that out real quick. Oh yeah, there's the video. So there, just download the video right there as you just saw. And I'm going to close this out real quick. And now from here, all you're going to want to do is you're going to want it to upload the video to your YouTube channel. So what I would actually recommend that you do is you want to set up a YouTube channel that is very consistent of, you know, one particular video. So for example, if you decide to go in the niche of, you know, cat videos, I know cat videos is a very popular one. These videos are known to get tons of views. What you'd want to do is you would want to set up a YouTube channel that is about, you know, cat videos, like something that is, you know, consistent of cat videos, because if someone watches, you know, one of your videos and let's say that they enjoy it, they want to see, you know, more videos like that, then they're likely going to check out your channel. They're going to, you know, watch more of your videos, and they're going to subscribe to your channel. So what you want to do is you want to set up a YouTube account that is about, you know, cat videos. And once you have that set up, then you would want to click on this little video camera icon right here. You click on upload video, and then you want to go through the process of uploading the video right there. So what you would ideally want to do is you would want to upload the video and make the title similar to, you know, kind of model exactly what you just saw in that other video right there. So, you know, it's called like cute pets and, you know, furry animals or something like that. You want to make a similar title, you know, kind of make it, you know, sort of similar. You want to, of course, you know, optimize the, you know, the title, the description, and what I would also recommend doing is finding the keywords that are of course being used in that video. You could use a tool like vidIQ to do this, and you could just take the keywords, you could put them in your tags right there, and then you could upload the video to your YouTube channel. One other thing that I would recommend doing is taking time to create good thumbnails. You could either create them yourself with, you know, a site like canva.com. You know, you could use this site right here, canva.com. Looks like it's taking a bit to load up. Or you could even pay someone on a site like fiverr.com, you know, like $5 or something like that. Very cheap to create a thumbnail for you. Now, the other thing that I'm going to recommend is to do this on a rather consistent basis. So maybe upload, you know, one of these videos per day for the next, you know, 30 days. Because here's the thing, you know, you're not going to just upload one video and, you know, immediately become rich overnight. You know, with YouTube, you have to be rather consistent with it in order to, of course, grow your following. So the more you do this, the more your channel is going to grow, the more views you're going to get. And once you reach that, 1,000 subscriber, mark right there, and you also get 4,000 hours watch time, which with a channel like, where you're putting up, videos that are likely to go viral, it's very easy to do. Once you get up to that point right there, it's very easy to, of course, get approved for Google AdSense, and then you could start making some passive income whenever someone watches ads on your videos. So that's a very great way to make passive income in the long term. And also, what you could even do is once you have a channel that has a large enough following, you could actually go to a site called fameswap.com, and you could just set up like a free account with this. You just it's like right up here, you just click on like sign up or something like that. I'm actually currently signed in, and this is a site that people go to of course buy and sell YouTube accounts. It's also for like Instagram accounts, and like I think TikTok it's even on here as well. So it's any accounts that have like a very large enough following. People are willing to pay a premium to have an account that has a large enough following. So like if I click on browse all listings right here, it's going to bring up a list of different, Instagram accounts, YouTube accounts, and TikTok accounts. And if I just click on like, YouTube right here, it'll show exactly, what channels are in here right now. So like, here's one that was posted just 3 hours ago, and it has a following of 23,000 subscribers, and it is currently selling for almost $2,000 right there. So $1,800 just for that one YouTube account. And people are willing to pay that amount to have this type of following on YouTube. Like here's another one, 49,000 subscribers. It's currently selling for about 1,000 right there. So if you can build up a large enough following on YouTube, and not only can you make some good money from Google AdSense, pretty much passively, but you could even decide to sell your channel and then get maybe like $1,000 for it, 2,000, depending on how much someone is willing to pay for a channel with 1,000 or 5,000 subs, however many subs you of course get up to, you could then sell that right on this platform. So that's pretty much the entire strategy that I wanted to go over in this video. Hope you found this valuable. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and also be sure to give this a thumbs up if you found it helpful. It really does help the channel out. And if you want to learn more about how to create more of a passive income online, like let's say that you want to fully become your own boss, you don't want to rely on a platform like YouTube, and you want to be able to work on your own terms wherever you are, anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection, then my #1 link down below this video will give you access to a free training that will go much more into depth about how to build an online business that you could be your own boss. So that's really what I recommend going for in the long term, because you could work pretty much anywhere on your own terms and you are your own boss. So that's what I recommend going for there. But anyways, hope you found this video helpful, and take care.